Hi, I'm your Dr. K.P.Sarma, Professor of English and Softskills. Now I'm going to take the topic group discussion. Group discussion and its importance. This is very, very important by the time the recruitment process is going to be started in any MNC companies or the companies that come to the campuses in order to recruit the students so that they can serve the organization. So, group discussion is going to have its own vital part, very important part. Here, group discussion is a verbal oriented communication. A performance, the performance of the candidate is going to be shown in the form of verbal ability under the umbrella of what we call group discussion. Yes, one must be perfect in linguistic ability here. And apart from that, here, the discussion which is going to be related to the topic in the group discussion must be known clearly. Let us think about its importance. Prior to that, one note I am going to give. The group discussion is going to be started, suppose. Then, the group members are stated to be 10 to 12 members. Think like that. There must be initiator. Who should start the group discussion? Among 12 members, one fellow must be selected. Among themselves, they can do it. And what about the conclusion? We have to put an end to the conclusion. What we call the discussion, the topic. The topic should be concluded. So, in the form of discussion. So, there must be conclusion. Then, to manage all these things, there should be a group leader. So, 3 persons are there. 1, initiator. 2, conclusion. The main part is going to be played by what we call group leader. These 3 persons must be elected from what we call the members, 10 or 12 or 9, whatever the number it is. Now let us see the importance. The importance is going to be given by the company first in order to recruit the students either in the, what we call their companies or in the campuses where the students are studying in. And here, the student community can express their idea. What is their idea about the topic can be discussed. That idea can be put into the form of a discussion. And here, topic-oriented skills are going to be developed by this. That is the importance which is going to be given. Whether this type of qualities are there or not with the candidate, it is going to be tested by the companies. And here, as I told you in the beginning, 10 to 12 members or 9 to 10 members will be there. What we call in the group. And they will have to discuss. They will have to discuss one after another by not interrupting with others. In a proper way, we have to discuss. We should not point out at others and discuss. And here, considerable views of the members are going to be taken into consideration. Yes, it is always. As a result of this group discussion, what are the things that are going to be developed with the people, the importance should be given for this is listening skills. You can listen and you can speak, speaking ability. These two are going to be improved. And here you can, apart from all these things, you can understand the topic and know about the topic and think about the topic, and then only you can deliver about the topic. So here, the topic is somewhat problematic. Then how to solve the problem? We have to find the problem, what we call, we have to see that the problem should be solved at the end. So whether problem solving capacity is there with the candidate or not, that is going to be tested by the company. Yes. And apart from this, it says about the confidence levels of the what we call the student. So the student should have confidence levels at high, but not overconfidence. And here, there should be good idealism that should be there in the heart and soul, so that it comes out by the time the discussion is going to be taken place with regards to the topic. And here, it is able to develop the person and makes the person cheerful but not serious with it. In a friendly way, the discussion should be had. A kind of enthusiasm will also be seen there. This will be able to improve knowledge. Yes, 100%. Sometimes, the discussion may go deeply, but that much is not necessary. Why? Because 15 to 20 minutes will be given the time to have the discussion with regards to the topic. And the subject matter, we should not get deviated from the subject matter. What is to be discussed, it should be discussed, but not in disguise. Yes. Along with that, what we need to have is to become one of the good speakers in the group discussion, one of the good participants in the group discussion. We need to have some more qualities. Yes. That is, this will be able to develop your knowledge along with communication skills. So you are going to have communicative methodology related skills. It's a great thing. Yes. And you can develop leadership qualities by the time you are going to have the group discussion. It's a wonderful thing to have the group discussion. It's a great opportunity. Like that you should think. And here, can think logically as well as rationally. Yes. And here, this is able to develop your presentation skills. How effectively you are able to present when you are going to participate in group discussion. That is more important. So you can update your knowledge. It is a must that you should update your knowledge and give, the topic which is going to be delivered, and you have to give supporting examples also. Supporting examples should also be given along with your, what we call topic, which is going to be discussed in the group discussion related to the topic. And here, it is a must that you should be submissive, very submissive, humble, very humble, but not aggressive. You should not be aggressive by the time you are going to discuss about the topic in the style of group discussion. What more are required? Just two things. That is, creative thinking capacity must be developed. Creative thinking capacity. Creative thinking is a must. And apart from that, think that human brain is a parachute. Parachute, if it goes into the air, it goes on, flies on, and once, after some time it comes down. Of course, according to its, operation. Just like that, human brain is thinking about number of things. At any way, at what level we are thinking, whatever it is we are going to think, that should be substantial and useful to the mankind. In such a way, we have to. Anyway, our thinking capacity should also have controlling. Okay. And we are going to go for the group discussion for more things. in our next episodes. After this, please subscribe for more videos in my YouTube channel. Thank you.